Wire transfer on CIBC. Hello viewers, today you are going to learn how to wire transfer money on CIBC. So let's get started. First, open CIBC online banking and sign into your account. If you are new, you have to create an online banking account first. Then from the menu, select Global Money Transfer to start. Then enter the recipient details including their name, country and banking information. After that, type in the amount you want to send, then carefully review all details to avoid mistakes or delays. Choose the CIBC account or card you want to use for the transfer. Always review the summary of the transaction, then click Submit to finish sending the wire transfer. Keep in mind that transfers may take 1 to 2 business days depending on the recipient's bank and location. And that's all. That's how you will be able to transfer your money through wire on CIBC. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.